Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video we have created server class, and now in this video first we will create one method for sending message. Okay, so the same method we will write in the server class as well as in the client class. So here in this server class, public void write, and here byte array, bytes, and we will use this output stream dot write and bytes. Okay, now press alt enter here, surround with try catch. Now just copy this and in the client class paste here. Okay, so now what we need to do, first create. Okay, so here first we need to create objects. So first is server class, then client class. Server class, client class, and also one boolean object, that is host. Okay, and after that in this execute listener we will implement this. Okay, so let me just zoom it. So we will use this button. Okay, so this is send button. Okay, so in this execute listener, after this list view, send button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here because this is also a blocking method, so we will use Java concurrency. Okay, so for that executor service executor equal to executors dot new single thread executor. Okay, now create one string object, string msg equal to type msg dot get text dot to string. Okay, so whatever we will type here we have now in this string object. Now use this executor dot execute new runnable, and here first we need to confirm device is host or client. Okay, so what we will do, here in this connection info listener If this is host, then is host equal to true. Else is host equal to false. Okay. Now again come to the same point. If MSG is not equal to null and is host is true, server class dot write and msg dot get bytes. Okay. Else if msg is not equal to null and not is host, then client class dot write and msg dot get bytes. Okay, so button implementation work is done. Now we need to just initialize these server and client class. So what we will do, here if the device is host, then we will create server class equal to new server class and server class dot start. Okay, so because it's a thread class, we need to start this. Same for the client class equal to new client class, and here we will put group owner address, client class dot start. Okay, so I think everything is done, so let's try to run this. So here the applications are running on two different devices. So first let's check the Wi-Fi is on or not. So in this device the Wi-Fi is on. Here we need to enable this. Now discover device. Now this device is connected, this is host and this is the client. Okay, so write any text here. Here you can see hello, and here you can see hi. Okay, so friends, this is end of this video. Please appreciate my effort by subscribing my channel, liking this video and also sharing this video as well as my channel on other social media platform. If you have any doubt, then you can just write that in the comment box below, and also you can join our Telegram channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.